Alright. Hey there everyone, my name is Classic and welcome to Noise at 4. So I'm deeply scared for this. I hooked up my controller, so with at least some parts I'm going to use my keyboard. Yeah, let's start. Alright, here we go. So the mod I'm using is called Knuckles the Edition. Because I'm waiting for a Pizza Pursuit update. I'll see if I could patch Pizza Pursuit. If I can just downgrade it. I'll most likely try when I reach to Pizza Speed. But till then, alright, here we go. First try's wild. Beans. Yes! Beans! Beans is back! Alright, hopefully this is better. But anyways, we're in Pizza Escape. Alright. What's up with me doing this first try? Oh, okay. One of the timer hit 0, I did it. Oh, the beans. Oh, it's all perfect. Alright, that's how New Orleans cook this episode. I think I did. I did these levels first try. Don't know for next episode for H&G's and blood sauce. Because, those are going to be a pain. I'm specifically talking the blood sauce. So, yeah, anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, like, comment, the letter E, and make sure you subscribe. We're trying to make it to 250 subscribers by any time, you know me. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!